driven by the explosive growth of data and artificial intelligence. Optical communication has become the foundation of the digital world. Behind every stable optical transmission lies the power of precision optical components. GLSUN Optics is a wholly owned subsidiary of GLSUN Group, originating from the Optical Products division established in 2009. The company has specialized in optical component R&D and manufacturing for over a decade. Located in GLSUN, China, GLSUN Optics operates approximately 10,000 square meters of cleanrooms, supported by a professional workforce of more than 1,200 employees. Together, we have built a fully integrated optical manufacturing platform. From precision processing to automated assembly, from real-time environmental monitoring to comprehensive quality inspection, GLSUN Optics continues to advance intelligent manufacturing to ensure stable delivery and large-scale production capacity. Monthly production capacity for optical isolators has reached 10 million units. Focused on high-speed optics, power optics and fiber arrays, GLSUN Optics has established a comprehensive portfolio of core optical products. GLSUN Optics has successfully achieved mass production of 400 grams, 800 grams, and 1.6 T optical isolators and optical assemblies, while actively developing solutions for 3.2 T and co-packaged optics applications. Our products are widely used in AI computing infrastructure, high-speed optical communications, industrial lasers, LiDAR systems, fiber sensing, and next-generation optical networks. Built upon international quality standards, GLSUN Optics continues to achieve globally recognized certifications, delivering reliability and consistency, trusted by customers worldwide. From high-speed communications to the intelligent future, GLSUN Optics remains committed to independent innovation and precision manufacturing. Powered by light, we connect a faster, smarter future. GLSUN Optics, precision in light, innovation for future.